Hello and welcome back everyone to our another episode of ALV, right? We discussed our interactive ALV in our previous session. If you remember, we discussed the interactive ALV and we used this I callback user command to get a secondary list out of the basic list, right? So let me just show you back. I will go back to this pro system. I will open my previously created program ALV. Where it is, let me check it. ALV top of page, yeah, yes, this is the program. We got our secondary list out of it, right? Let me execute. I will double click and we are getting the output. Perfect, we are getting the output. Now we will continue our playlist and we will see here that how another requirement we want to add the top of page this time in the secondary list. Very interesting. In the secondary list we want to add the top of page in secondary list. Top of page simply means I want to give a heading for my secondary list. Yes, I want to give a heading in the secondary list. How will I be able to do that? Yes, let's check it out. So if you recall, for the top of page we use the reuse ALV commentary write function module. Yeah, we use the reuse ALV commentary write function module. So we are required to do the same thing, but it will be a completely new kind of way. How? Because we have already used this secondary list subroutine. Inside it we are calling this function module sec for secondary list. So this time we will use this I callback top of page, this particular parameter. I will create here a subroutine, let's say top page 2. Yes, I will use this. I will create here a subroutine. So form top page 2 and end form, right? Inside it I will call my reuse ALV function module. So call function reuse ALV commentary write I will call it control space shift enter. We see we have this IT list commentary, so I will bring its type import, double click, and I will bring its type slash list header, and I will create here an internal table and work area of it. So lt list 2 this time, type table of slash list header, and ls list 2 type slash list header. Okay, I will clear this internal table. So lt list 2, and I will store here the values. So list 2 type, sorry, it should be, let me check it again, I have forgotten that. Let me go inside that. Yeah, IT list header, it will be type. Okay, so type, that is the job of any developer. Debug it and check it, find out what will be the actual value. So h heading ls list 2 info, I will display here, let's say sales item display. I will append it ls list 2 to lt list 2, and I will clear the work area. Yes, I will clear the work area. Okay, I will pass my internal table here lt list 2. I will check the syntax. I will activate the program and I will simply execute it. So let's execute it. I will double click. I am getting the secondary list, but I am not getting the top of page. That I believe that subroutine is not getting called. Let's put a breakpoint to find it out. I will directly put here a breakpoint. execute, execute, double click. Yes, our breakpoint is not hitting. We are not able to see the breakpoint. See that breakpoint is not hitting. Why it is not hitting? This subroutine is not getting called. And if you recall the very first function module which we have implemented, we used a parameter I callback program to recall this program. So we will recall the same program here, I callback program, and I will pass the system variable scirep id or the name of program in single quotes, right? So syntax check, activate. Let's go and put the breakpoint. It is already there. Execute, execute. I will double click on any of the row and see this time breakpoint is hitting. So now we will be able to get our list. Yes, we are getting our heading, right? We are getting our heading. So we are getting our heading. If I go and check it again, this one is not available. Okay, this one is there. What about 8? This one is also there, right? So we are able to get our header, right? See that part? We are able to get our header in our ALV output. Clear for everyone, right? We are able to get the top of page on the secondary list. Okay, so this is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like and share. Okay, bye bye.